Historic moment. It is my great honor to present to you the first President of the Commonwealth of the Philippines, Manuel L. Quezon.
My fellow Filipinos, today is not just the beginning of our new government. It is the beginning of our journey toward full independence. That day has come when we, the people of the Philippines, take charge of our destiny.
We are the architects of our own future. Together, we will lay a foundation for a nation that will rise in strength, dignity, and honor. Mr. President, the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt sends his best wishes for the success of the Commonwealth. He believes that the Philippines will prosper under your leadership. Mr. Quezon, please raise your right hand and repeat after me.
I, Manuel L. Quezon, do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the duties of the office of the President of the Commonwealth of the Philippines and will, through the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Commonwealth of the Philippines. It is the dawn of a new day for the Philippines.